Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Coupa Spend Management Review My Usage Experience. Coupa Spend Management Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive overview and analysis of Coupa's spend management software. It's aimed at businesses looking to improve their procurement processes, track spending, and gain better visibility into their finances. Key features likely include reporting dashboards, spend analysis tools, and potentially integration with existing accounting systems. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. Coupa's positioning focuses on streamlining business spending and improving efficiency. They highlight the benefits of data-driven insights and improved control over expenses. Their website emphasizes ease of use and integration capabilities. Pricing is likely to vary depending on business size and needs, although specific details would need to be obtained directly from Coupa. Availability is generally global, and businesses can check their website for more information. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Coupa Spend Management Review My Usage Experience. I was tasked with evaluating Coupa for my company, and the review process was surprisingly straightforward. Getting started was easy, the onboarding materials were well organized and provided clear instructions. Navigating the interface was intuitive, and I quickly learned how to generate reports on different spending categories. For example, I was able to easily see the breakdown of spending on office supplies versus marketing materials. The performance was excellent, reports generated quickly, and the data was presented in a clear and concise manner. I had a quick question about custom report generation, and their support responded within 24 hours via email. A standout feature for me was definitely the visual dashboards. They made identifying spending trends incredibly easy. One minor drawback was that the initial setup required some technical expertise for optimal integration with our existing systems. It took me a little while to get used to the more advanced settings, but once I understood them, it became a breeze. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Coupa's capabilities. It effectively helped me understand our spending patterns, identify areas for potential savings, and presented the data in an easily understandable format. That's my overview of Coupa Spend Management Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.